Home HVAC Services provides dependable AC refrigerant services in West Chester to help keep your air conditioning system running efficiently and your indoor space comfortable during the hottest months of the year. Our experienced technicians inspect refrigerant levels, locate leaks, repair damaged components, and recharge AC systems using the proper refrigerant for optimal cooling performance. If you have any questions, contact our AC Refrigerant Services team. Are you looking for AC refrigerant services near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What are AC refrigerant services? AC refrigerant services involve checking, repairing, and refilling the refrigerant in an air conditioning system. Refrigerant is the substance that absorbs heat from inside your home and releases it outdoors, allowing your AC unit to cool properly. How often should refrigerant levels be checked? Refrigerant levels are typically checked during routine AC maintenance or tune-ups. If your system is operating properly, refrigerant should remain at the correct level for many years. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC refrigerant services have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.